Hi everyone, welcome to Baki Diaries. Nowadays, most of the students are using Google Classrooms for their virtual classes. If we are using Google Classroom first time, we need guidance, or else we need to explore ourselves. So here I am giving a small demo on how to submit homework to the assignment which is given by the teacher in Google Classroom. This is Google Classroom dashboard in mobile. We can check our assignments on top of the window. When we click on view to-do list, we are able to see the assignments. If you observe the Sparkle subject, here we are able to see two assignments. One is lesson number 2, the proof of honesty. Second one is International Father's Day and Music Day. When we click on here, it will redirect to the Google Classroom stream. In stream, we can find all the postings of that particular subject. When we click on classwork, we are able to see the assignments. We can observe the due date of each assignment. I want to upload homework of lesson number 2, the proof of honesty. So I am clicking here. We are able to see that particular assignment. When we click this, it will show the description of particular assignment and attachments also. We can see your work option at the bottom of the page. When we click on this symbol, it allows you to upload homework or pictures, etc. When we click on add attachment, we are able to see the screen like this. Here we can see so many options. If you are already captured the photos of your homework, click on file option. If you want to take the photo, click on take photo option. If your file is stored in Google Drive, click on drive option. Here I am clicking on file option. It allows you to select the pictures. So here you have to select the homework pictures. For one attachment, we need to select one picture only. After selection of picture, we can see the work progress. Finally, we can see the selected picture as attachment. If you want to upload another picture, again you have to click on add attachment. File, select another picture. We can see the second attachment. I have attached 3 pictures. Submit this work, we have to click on turn in. It is asking confirmation. Click on again turn in. If you have uploaded any wrong picture by mistake, you can cancel it and delete it. When you click on turn in, you can see the message as work submitted. After click on turn in only, the teacher can able to see your work. If you want to convey any message regarding this homework, you can type here. Only teacher can view this message. In updated Google Classroom assignment, we can see like this. Add work with plus symbol. When you are finding this symbol, it allows you to select multiple pictures at a time. Even you can find another option like scanner also. Here I am selecting 2 pictures at a time. The selected pictures are attached simultaneously. Click on turn in for submission. I hope this video will be very helpful. Please do subscribe our channel Baki Diaries. Thank you for watching.